Welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here again today with another amazing recipe for you guys. Today is Healthy Choice Day, so I'm doing another Healthy Choice veggie bowl today. My protein gonna be Cajun shrimp, so it's gonna be an interesting one. Really good. So you guys tune in. Let's get going. I got all my veggies here to prepare. I want to show you guys what's going in the veggie bowl. All right, let's get it done. So here I got some butternut squash, got plantain right here, this is the ripe one, and I got zucchinis, yellow, green, and green again. We're just gonna get these all cut up, and I have some grape tomatoes here that I washed, and they're sitting in this bowl. And these veggies here, we're gonna grill them. We're gonna get them on the grill outside. The Cajun shrimp gonna go on the grill. The butternut squash, I'll throw that in the oven, get it roasted. That's all gonna go in the bowl. All right, and I also have some bulgur wheat I'm gonna cook off to go with it as well. I need a little bit of grain inside, so that's the grains that I'm using. All right, so we're just gonna get started with our butternut squash and everything right here. So the plantain is washed right here. So the plantain is going on the grill, as I said, so I'm just going to cut it right in the skin. You get nice long shapes like this. And there's your plantain. So the only thing we're going to do with the plantain is drizzle a little bit of olive oil over that. All right, nothing else going on the plantain. I'm just going to mix that up. Beautiful. So we're just going to grill that. So we're gonna get these veggies, some spices on there. Got a teaspoon of oregano right here. Just gonna pour that on. I got some Greek blend right here, which is just a teaspoon and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. We got a tablespoon of garlic powder and a half a teaspoon of paprika right here. Pour that on. And salt is to your taste. Just put a sprinkle of salt on that. And I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil over this. Just enough to marinate the veggies. Just gonna mix this right in. Zucchini is very good. Has a lot of potassium inside there. 10 times the potassium than in a banana. You find that in the zucchini. So guys, have your zucchini, it's loaded. All right, so that should do it. So we're just gonna marinate the shrimp right now. I'm just gonna put some fresh lime juice. I love a little bit of lime juice on my shrimp. Now I got a tablespoon of the Cajun spice right here, and I got a teaspoon of garlic powder. Just gonna go ahead and put that right on. And then again, I'm gonna put a pinch of olive oil on that. Gonna mix that right in. I'm gonna get the shrimp right onto a few skewers I got right here. So these are the wooden skewers. I soak them in some water first. Make sure you soak your wooden skewers in water before you put your shrimp on or your chicken on, whatever you're doing on it, so it doesn't burn on the grill. Alright. Just a tip for you guys. These are looking lovely. Beautiful tomatoes. Wow. These are really nice. Even the butternut squash worked out well outside here. Just thinking of finishing them off on the oven, but they're beautiful right here. Cooking nicely. Butternut squash, they're cooking nice and perfect out here. They're nice and tender. No need to put them in the oven. Beautiful. I just got the plantain down. I'm gonna do the shrimp. Just check this out, guys. Beautiful, right? Butternut squash, zucchinis, tomatoes. Yum. That's what I'm talking about. Planting, they're pretty much done right now. They really don't take long on the grill, so you gotta pull these off. That's your ripe grilled plantain right there. So we're done with all the grill stuff. Get the bulgur wheat on. It's only a cup of bulgur wheat. Just enough water just to cover it. You don't want it an inch over as you do the rice, this is a little bit different. It cooks faster and you don't want it to get too soggy. All right, I'm using the Grace pumpkin noodle right here. If you can see that, it's the Grace one. I love this one. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of this inside. That's 1, 2, and that has enough salt in there. I don't have to add any salt to this. So I'll just go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of margarine to that. Just gonna give it a stir. And this should take roughly about 10 minutes. As soon as it starts boiling to cook. Should be done in 10. Alright. Okay, this is the veggie bowl we're putting together right now. So all the veggies are grilled off. Let me get my tongs, a little bit easier for me. Getting my hand messy all the time. So that's a butternut squash there. They'll work out so nicely on the grill. Beautiful. Looking so good. These grilled butternut squash there, nice and tender. So good. Let's get some zucchini in the bowl. So just place them around the bowl nicely, like that. Is good, and your flavor is up. You're good to go. Beautiful bowl. Right, looking good. Next we're gonna put the bulgur. Let's put the bulgur wheat right inside this bowl right here. That should be enough. We ain't gonna leave out the plantain, the grilled plantain, guys. It's right here. So that's the grilled plantain right there. Next we're gonna get these tomatoes right on here. Looking good. And we got our shrimp to go on there. I'm just gonna take the shrimp off the skewer. A little bit easier to eat. So just pull the shrimp right off. Just gonna put the shrimp right in like that. Put the tails up. Looking good. There we go, tails up. Beautiful. Next thing we're gonna put in, I have a little bit of spinach that I cooked off. We're gonna get that right inside as well. That's just a little bit of feta cheese I had right beside the spinach right there. Looking beautiful. avocado. So that's our grilled veggie bowl today with our Cajun shrimp. It's up again. All right. Just sprinkle a little bit of green onions on this. As I said, I love a good presentation, and I love when flavor is up. They go together. All right. Beautiful. All right. I just want to say thanks for watching again. Like, keep on sharing the videos. Keep on sharing it with your friends. Don't keep it for yourself. Share it with your friends. Keep on hitting the like button and drop a comment. Let me know how you guys liking the videos. And thanks again for watching. And I guess I'll catch you guys back in the next